Toastmasters and dear guests. Our attitude plus our choices is equal to our life. Last week, Tuesday, was very tiring and hectic for me. I wanted to have some refreshment, and as all of us are aware, the instant refreshment what we get is coffee. I was trying for a cup of coffee and I pulled my friend to a nearby shop, coffee shop. As we reached the shop, we took a corner table and we sat. And for my, I have seen something strange over there that I would like to share it with you, because that after looking at that incident, my approach towards the problem has changed. We ordered for the coffee, and by then I saw a cockroach flew from somewhere and sat on the lady who is sitting next to our table. A lady was surprised. She was in panic situation. She started crying out loudly, "Cockroach, cockroach." She was all nervous and she was jumping on the floor to get rid of the cockroach. Somehow she tried pushing that cockroach with both her hands, and finally she was successful doing that. But unluckily, that cockroach landed on another lady in her same group. So now the turn of the other lady to go through all the exercise which the first lady has done. Now from far away, a waiter was looking at this situation and he came for a rescue. After all, having the circus, the throwing a cockroach out, it fell and landed on the waiter's shirt. Now the turn of the waiter. He was very composed and stood firmly and just started watching the behavior of the cockroach. When he was confident enough, he just pulled the cockroach and threw it away. As I was sipping a coffee, I was just wondered, is the cockroach disturbed the behavior of the histrionic behavior what these ladies undergone? If so, this waiter didn't react to anything. He was stood firm and he was composed all the way. He has done his work to the perfection. Here, what I understood, like we have get shoutings from our parents, from the boss at the workplace. We immediately react. For all the shoutings what we get from our boss, we immediately react and we fail to understand whether the shoutings disturbed our life. Even I realized that the traffic jam is disturbed us. We fail to understand whether the disturbance causes the traffic jam disturbed our life. We'll take the things in reactive way. We will not respond. Finally, what I understood with this incident, that we should not be reacting, always we should be responding. Here in the situation, the women were reacted and the waiter responded. In our daily life, we always keep on reacting to the things instead of responding. I understood that to have a good life, a person is not happy because all the things are right in his life. He is happy just because his right attitudes are towards in his life are right. When we say that we worry so much about the past incidents, we forget about the present, and we think right now we'll be thinking that last year I could have done better, I could have got better appraisal, and I would have done that, I should have done this. We always nag and trip on the things which were belonging to previous incidents, and will trip on that, and we always repent on those situations. So it is better, let us not react on the past situations. Let us be a responsible people, and let us continue our life thinking about present and future. Let us be always responsive instead of having reactive. Let us all be responsible always. Thank you.